Hi guys, welcome to Learning with Miss Roseberry. My kids in kindergarten have been doing a unit on weather, and my friend Miss Zapala said her kids were also doing a unit on weather. So this book about weather is dedicated to them. I have my learning target back here. I can plan for the weather because it helps to check the weather before you get dressed in the morning. I do sometimes. So this book is nonfiction. It's called Weather by Kristen Baird Rattini. Has cool pictures. Here's your table of contents. Technically, this is a chapter book we're reading. You're welcome. Look up at the sky. The weather helps us know what to wear and do and grow. It brings rain, wind, and sun. Let's go outside for some fun. I love some rhyming words too. I love riding my bike. It looks like a nice day. What is weather? Peek out your window at the sky. Is it sunny or cloudy? Rainy or windy? You are checking the weather. Weather is what it's like outside at one place at one time. But keep a lookout. Weather can change fast. The sun. The sun warms the land. It warms the air and water too. And apparently the cows. The sun's heat and light help things grow. Plants and animals need sunshine to live. This book also has weather jokes. Why did the woman go outside with her purse open? She expected some change in the weather. Get it? Sunny days are fun. You can play outside. Will you go to the park or ride a bike? The sun can make the air outside hot. You can cool off with a swim. Clouds. White fluffy clouds are called cumulus clouds. Tiny water droplets float in the air. They group together. They make clouds of all shapes and sizes. White fluffy clouds mean good weather. And I learned about clouds when I taught second grade with Miss Zapala. I don't remember any of it now, so don't ask me. All right, joke number 2. What does a cloud wear under its clothes? Thunderwear. Okay, that was a good one. Thunderwear. Flat gray clouds bring rain. Flat gray clouds are called stratus clouds. That's kind of what it looked like a couple times this week. Some clouds are thin and wispy. They can look like curls of hair. These clouds float high in the sky. Thin, wispy clouds are called cirrus clouds. Those are kind of, can you see? Like that one looks like a duck or a goose. Got its wings up. What comes from the clouds? Drip drop, down comes the rain. Water droplets in clouds sometimes fall as rain. Rain falls in warm and cool weather. Rain helps plants and animals live. It fills rivers and ponds. Rain forms puddles on the sidewalk. Splash! Look at that frog having fun. All right, next joke. What did the cloud say to the lightning bolt? You're shocking. These are good. I'm going to have to remember these jokes. Weather word, flurry. A light snowfall that barely covers the ground. Brr, it's cold outside. Water droplets in clouds sometimes freeze. They can fall as hail or snow. If it's hail, you'll see ice. If it's snow, you might see a flurry, or you might get a flurry. Often, a lot of snow means a snow day. What falls and never gets up? Snow. That was the next joke. Lightning and thunder. Lightning is a super hot stream of electricity. It lights up the sky, flash. It zips from the ground. It zips from the cloud toward the ground. After lightning comes a boom. That sound is thunder. The weather word, electricity, energy that can make heat and light. I actually don't mind a good thunderstorm. I don't remember ever being scared of them. And sometimes they're really pretty. Oh, the lightning. Ooh, rainbows. Have you ever seen a rainbow after a storm? Rainbows are made from sunlight and water droplets. Oh, you can see a double rainbow too. Rainbows paint bright stripes of color in the sky. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Which color do you like best? I thought between blue and purple, there's indigo, which means you can use Roy G. Biv as a little thing. But indigo is kind of like a bluish purple. I guess they blend together. All right, ready for the joke? What bow can't be tied? A rainbow. 6 ways weather is wild. Sometimes water flows where it is usually dry, and this is called a flood. Number 2, hail is ice that rains from the sky. It can be small or it can be bigger than a baseball. A hurricane brings heavy rain and strong winds. Also, going back to hail, I think hail can happen in the summer too, which is really weird when balls of ice fall out of the ground when it's hot. Fall out of the sky when it's hot. It'd be really weird if they fell out of the ground. Number 4, very strong winds sometimes twist and they form a tornado. We've had some of those touch down in Richmond too. Weather word, blizzard, a heavy snowstorm with wind. It's hard to see in a blizzard. Sometimes it doesn't rain for a long time. This is called a drought. Drought, drought, drought. D-R-O-U-G-H-T. Drought. It's got an O-W in the middle. Wind. Wind is moving air. A light wind is called a breeze. A strong wind is called a gale. Wind has energy. It pushes clouds and rain across the sky. Wind can make kites dance or sailing. I like to go on a sailboat. No wind, your boat can't move. Weather and me. The weather helps you plan your day. Should you wear sunglasses or rain boots? Will you swim or throw snowballs? Wherever you go, the weather is always with you. So true. Joke. What goes up when the rain comes down? An umbrella. Oh, look, snow. Sunny, rainy. What in the world? These pictures are close-up views of weather things. Use the hints to figure out what's in each picture. Well, I don't want to tell you, but I will hold it up so you can look at them and see if you can determine. They're kind of pretty, kind of artsy. And then there's just a review. That was a pretty good book, huh? Well, people who tell the weather are called meteorologists. And my brother and I have a meteorologist persona. Mine is called Babs McTalkalot. And she talks like this. So I'm going to give you the weather report from today in my Babs voice. Are you ready? Okay. Welcome to our station. Today, the weather started out this morning at 39 degrees. That's why I put on long sleeves. And when I went out to walk my dog, I put on my jacket because it was a little chilly. It was a little windy. It was partly cloudy. It started out as very cloudy, and then it got a little sunny toward the end. But there was some wind that came in, which made me want to put on a scarf to go with my jacket. Back to you in the studio, Bob. Hope you enjoyed this book on weather and my meteorologist report. Remember, check the weather. It's always with you. It'll help you know what to wear and how your day is going to be. See you next time. Thanks for watching.